Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wish everyone a happy New Year's Eve. My girlfriend and I went to a skewer spot called Gal's BBQ and Crab here in Flushing, New York City. They have a happy hour, which you could get a lamb skewer for $1 per skewer. They do not skimp out on the meat, so any lamb skewer enthusiasts highly recommend coming here. I'll be opening up some packs when I get home, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the opening. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Take care.